If you've ever searched for a Python error on Stack Overflow, you've probably seen the same advice over and over. Use a virtual environment. So what exactly is a Python virtual environment, and why is everyone telling you to use one? Let's start with the problem. Imagine you have two Python projects. One needs version 1 of a library, the other needs version 2. If you install everything globally, your system Python gets crowded. Different projects may fight over versions and things break in confusing ways. A virtual environment fixes this. A virtual environment is just a folder that contains its own Python and its own installed packages. It's like giving each project its own private sandbox. Nothing you install in one environment affects the others or your system Python. Here's how to create one. First, make sure Python is installed by running python-version or python 3-version. Then, inside your project folder, run python-m venv. You can replace that last venv with any name you like. This command creates a new folder with a clean, isolated Python setup. Next, activate it. On Windows, run venv/scripts/activate. On Mac OS or Linux, run source venv/bin/activate. When it's active, your terminal prompt usually shows the environment name in brackets. Now, anytime you run pip install, the packages are installed only into this environment. Want to see what's inside? Run pip list. You'll see only the packages for this one project. Done for the day? Type deactivate to turn the environment off. Your system Python goes back to normal. If you ever want to completely remove an environment, just delete its folder. Best practice is simple. Create one virtual environment per project. Activate it whenever you work on that project. Install and upgrade packages only inside that environment. This is why virtual environments are one of the most asked and most answered Python questions on Stack Overflow. They keep your projects clean, reproducible, and much easier to debug. If you'd like to turn explanations like this into your own animated videos, check out vidfactory.ai. You can create explainer videos like this quickly with no editing headaches. Thanks for watching, and happy coding with your new virtual environments.